Hi guys, my name is Tom Lasher-Walker. This is 1 Minute Mixology. Today we're going to be making a drink called the French Connection. Similar to its Scotch-based big brother, the Godfather, the French Connection was named after the 1971 film of the same name, starring Gene Hackman, and formed part of a collection of strong, sweet, after-dinner drinks built upon an aged spirit and popular liqueur that was served on the rocks and became commonplace in the second half of the 20th century. In our adapted version of the recipe, we add 2 dashes of Angostura bitters, a half ounce of Amaretto, and 2 ounces of VSOP cognac, built in a glass, stirred over a jumbo ice cube, and garnished with an orange twist. Guys, thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed the episode and the drink. If you want to see a specific ingredient or something else, leave it in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit subscribe and follow me on social media at Instagram and on Facebook and at tomlasherwalker.com as well. Okay? And I'll see you next time. Cheers.